Hi, this is Mrs. A from Math A Math. In today's video, you are going to learn about absolute value of a number. But bago yan, pag hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na at paki-share na lang ang video. Now, what is absolute value? An absolute value is simply the distance of an integer from 0 on the number line. So, distance, layo lang kung gaano kalayo ang integer na yon mula sa 0. Yun lang ang tinatawag nating absolute value. Ang absolute value sign or symbol is this one, these two vertical lines. Now, I have here a number line, and this is 0. To the right of 0 are positive integers, positive 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This arrowhead means continuous to the right. And to the left are negative integers, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, 4, negative 5, negative 6, and this arrowhead again continuous to the left. Now, so the distance of these integers from 0, that's the absolute value. So let's see. What is the distance of 6 from 0? So 6 means positive 6. From 0, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so the answer is 6. So yung layo ng positive 6 sa 0 ay 6. Now, what is the distance of negative 6 from 0? So, nasa left naman ang negative 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 din ang layo niya mula sa 0. So, ngayon, ang ibig sabihin niyan, this is the same as saying, what is the absolute value of 6? Of negative 6? Kanina sabi ko, what is the distance? So ngayon, pwede siyang palitan ng absolute value. Pareho lang ibig sabihin nun. Absolute value of 6 or what is the distance of 6 from 0. So now, instead of writing this in words, we can put it this way. This line here and the number each side, which means, what is the absolute value of positive 6? And that is equal to 6. What is the absolute value of negative 6? And that is equal to 6. So you notice, let's say the number here is x. We're going to find for the absolute value of x. So what are the possible value or values of x here? So you notice we have, if this is negative 6, positive 6, which means the number inside can be positive or negative. Okay? So we have two values of x. Can be negative or positive. And simply, pag hinahanap natin absolute value, ano napansin nyo? Tinanggalan natin ang sign. So we just disregard the sign, the plus and the minus sign, or the positive and negative sign. So simply absolute value, no sign at all. So let's have an example. Here. So we have here absolute value of 5 plus 4. So first is to just copy the absolute value sign. You just add first the number or the whatever the indicated operation inside that absolute value. So that is 5 plus 4, that is 9. And then get the absolute value of 9, that is 9. Here, again, 7 minus 2, that is 5. And the absolute value of 5 is 5. You look at here, there is a negative here outside the absolute value sign. And then we have also the negative inside. How we're going to read this one? Paano natin basahin to? Ibig sabihin nito, the negative absolute value of negative 8. So, isusulat lang natin yung negative na yan. And then, what is the absolute value of negative 8? So, that is 8. So, the answer is negative 8. Now, paano naman yung dito sa kabila? Ayan, may x tayo. Ano ibig sabihin na yan? Ano daw mga possible value natin ng x dito? Ano yung mga values ng x dito na kung saan pag kinuha natin yung absolute value niya ay less than or equal to 4. So ano-ano yon? So ayan. Negative 4. Bakit negative 4? Pag ipinalit natin dito ay negative 4. Okay, ayan. Pag negative 4 ang nasa loob, pag kinuha natin ang absolute value niya ay 4. So, ayan. Pasok siya doon. Ngayon, how about negative 3? Negative 3 absolute value is 3. And 3 is still less than 4. Okay? So, absolute value of negative 2 is 2, which is still less than 4. 0 is 0. Now here, 4. What is the absolute value of 4? That is still 4. So that is equal to 4. So that's how you're going to find for the absolute value of a number. Now let's have more examples here. Look at this one. Absolute value of 5 plus 4 plus the absolute value of 15 minus 10. So first is get first or perform first whatever the operation inside, that is 9, plus 15 minus 10, that is 5. Absolute value of 9 is 9. Absolute value of 5 is 5. So the answer is 14. So yun ang sagot natin. So dito naman, so ayan, kopyahin nyo muna yung sign ng absolute value, perform nyo lang kung ano yung nasa loob. 6 minus 6, that is 0. Minus, yung nasa loob naman dito, 7 plus 4, that is 11. Is equal to, what is the absolute value of 0? 0. Minus, what is the absolute value of 11? 11. So the answer is minus or negative 11. Now, what about here? So we have negative outside, and then 8 minus 4, that is 4. And what is the absolute value of 4? 4. But you need to copy the minus outside, so negative 4. So that's how you're going to find for the absolute value of a number or an expression. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.